OnePlus 8 series to launch on April 14 will feature 5G support, 120Hz display. OnePlus 8 mobile phone series will formally launch on April 14, the business revealed on Monday. The online-only occasion will be organized at 8:30 p.m. East through online stream on the OnePlus main site as well as YouTube network. The business additionally verified that the current OnePlus series will support 5G connection. The OnePlus 8 series will likely consist of the OnePlus 8 Pro as well as OnePlus 8, taking a look at previous launches from the business along with countless leakages leading up to the disclose. The business has actually additionally teased a 120Hz revitalized price, however it continues to be unpredictable whether it will be readily available on both the mobile phones or the Pro variation. It is additionally guessed that OnePlus will launch an additional mobile phone in a brand new series this year, the OnePlus Z. Nonetheless, even more info is gotten out of the Chinese technology business in the upcoming weeks. From the main intro published on the OnePlus website, we can see a black variation of the mobile phone. Many information such as the video camera requirements or the rates are yet to be exposed. However, many thanks to a variety of leakages over the previous month, we can anticipate to see a host of functions on the upcoming OnePlus 8 as well as OnePlus 8 Pro mobile phones. This consists of a quad-back video camera arrangement as well as Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC. Meanwhile, a record released on Sunday showed that the upcoming OnePlus 8 mobile phones will be readily available in 3 color versions, among them is called Interstellar Glow and declared provide of OnePlus 8 Pro found online recently additionally revealed the phone in C environment-friendly color variation. The record included that the rumored OnePlus 8 Pro will consist of a 48-megapixel IMX689 main sensing unit with f1.78 lens to the back video camera arrangement. This will be loaded together with an additional 48-megapixel IMX586 ultra-wide video camera with f2.2 aperture, an 8-megapixel f2.44 telephoto video camera with 3x optical zoom as well as 30x electronic zoom, as well as a 5-megapixel color filter. Additionally, an additional record hinted that the OnePlus 8 mobile phone will additionally have a 48-megapixel main sensing unit. However, it will be loaded with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, as well as a 2-megapixel macro video camera. Earlier records showed that the OnePlus 8 series this year will consist of a light variation. However, a distinguished informant just recently recommended that the OnePlus 8 Lite will more than likely be released under the name OnePlus Z, which is claimed to be the spruced-up spiritual follower of the OnePlus X. It is anticipated to go for a later day.